In my last video, we have understood about how the stock exchange matches buyers and sellers. But here's the real question. Why do buyers sometimes become aggressive? Or why do sellers panic at the same time? Well, in this video, we are going to exactly find that out. If you are new to my channel, my name is Aman, and in my channel, I break down financial concepts into simplest way possible. So if you are someone who is interested in finance or wants to learn more about the topic, then I believe that this channel might help you. Now, without wasting any further time, let's just start the today's video. In this video, we are going to learn about why do stock price moves even when nothing has changed, why do price falls even when the company has delivered good results, and hidden forces that drives the change in market price. And by the end of this video, you would stop reacting to price change and start understanding what really is affecting them. We already know that price moves because of buyers and sellers, but here's a deeper truth. People don't usually buy stocks, they buy into expectations. And we as a human being hate uncertainties the most. And as a result of which people don't sell stocks, they sell uncertainties. And that changes everything. Now let's take an example. Imagine a company is expected to perform extremely well this quarter. Now here are two scenarios which may arise. Number one, the results are good as expected. Now in spite of that, the stock price may not move, even if the company has performed good. However, on the other hand, if the results turn out to be slightly below expectations, then there may be a case that stock price fall. Now let us understand why it happens. Because the stock price may not move always on what happens in the market. It also moves on difference between the market expectations and reality. Another factor which plays an important role in moving the stock price are narratives. In the past couple of years, we have heard a lot about India's growth stories, AI revolution, EV and solar, which to the some extent is reality. But however, the companies which are working in these industries will be gaining a favorable advantage in spite of them not performing good, because people believe that these companies will be growing massively in the future, as a result of which the demand for their share increases. A stock price would always move in the direction where there is a flow of money. Now here's what I mean by that. Now imagine if an institutional investor takes position in a particular stock. Now the price of that share will be rising quickly because institutional investors have a team of researchers, and if they are taking position in a particular stock, obviously people would believe in that they must be doing something right, as a result of which the price of that share rises. Now vice versa, if an institutional investor exits their position in a particular company, now the price of that company would be falling. Now which tells us that markets don't always move on logic, it moves on liquidity. We as a human being, even with all the data readily available, have an habit of reacting emotionally. Now what I mean by that is that if a stock price increases drastically, now just in case if we don't have that particular stock, we feel left behind, as a result of which we might try to take position in that particular stock even though we feel that the price is not right. Now similar is in the case of selling. If everyone is selling a particular stock, we might panic and we would also decide to sell that stock as well. Now it tells us that stock markets creates momentum, as a result of which it drives prices. Here's the one thing that would change your perception of how you view the market is that a stock price can rise even when nothing has improved, and a stock price can fall even when everything is going right, which tells us that maximum time market moves on sentiments and perception, not on reality. So the next time you see a change in stock price, don't just look at the numbers. Try to understand what people are expecting, what story are they believing, or where the money is being moving into. Now in my next video, we will be learning about what are different types of stock. Till then, see ya, stay tuned.